Welcome back to Property Life. You might recognize the road behind me. A couple weeks ago we shared a video showing that we're going to be putting a gate out. So this is kind of going to be the construction of that gate. So you can see here, this is where we're starting the gate. We used a skid steer to dig out these holes. The holes are approximately 3 feet down. We're using 4-inch steel pipes for the posts. If you're going to dig these holes and not fill them right away, probably a good idea to have them marked off. Thankfully nobody fell in here, but this little possum, well, when installing the first post hole, I wasn't wearing gloves, and I managed to slice my pinky open on one of the post holes. You can actually see it in the time lapse if you look close. And then I forgot to restart the video after I applied a little first aid. So you probably noticed there's only 3 out of 4 post holes on the time lapse. After we compacted and mixed all the cement, we let it firm up for about an hour and then pushed the dirt from the post holes back over the top of it. There's about 3 inches of dirt and then 240 pounds of concrete at the base of those poles. The next step will be to fabricate and install the gate. It'll be made out of Schedule 40 stainless steel pipe. My friend will be welding the gate together and then installing the gate. Hopefully we can get it on film. If not, we'll detail it after the fact.